Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2009 ECE paper, and look at the circuit diagram. This question is related to digital circuits. What are the counting stages Q1, Q2 for the counter shown in the figure below? There are two JK flip-flops are connected, and this counter stages, what are the counting sequences for the Q1, Q2? That was the question asked. So flip-flops are going to be used, and flip-flops are nothing but sequential circuits, sequential elements, and for sequential elements we cannot say the output, that is nothing but next state of this flip-flop. We cannot say until we know the present state as well as present inputs. So we can write like this: next state of sequential circuits is nothing but function of present state comma present inputs, present state comma present inputs. So next state of q1 is nothing but, let us assume it is q1 plus. q1 plus is nothing but next state of q1, which depends on q1 as well as present inputs is nothing but inputs of q1 flip flop, which are nothing but j1 k1. And next state of q2 is nothing but q2 plus, which is nothing but present state is q2 and the present inputs are nothing but j2 comma k2. If you know j2 k2 values and q2 value, then only you can say what will be the next state of flip flop. Similarly for q1, if you know j1 k1 and present state of q1, then only we can say what will be the output of what will be the next state. So for that one we must know this information. Along with this one we must know about the JK flip-flop truth table. Okay, JK flip-flop truth table is nothing but for what values of JK what will be the next state. So let us assume J and K are going to be inputs and Qn plus 1 is nothing but next state of flip-flop. Okay, JK whenever they are 0 0, it will maintain the same next state as present state. That is nothing but present state value is going to be preserved. So that will be the next state value. There is no change in the output whenever j and k are going to be same. That implies nothing but you can say it as hold state. Okay, so whenever j is equal to 0, k is equal to 0, simply the output is going to be maintained same. That implies nothing but it is holding the previous outputs. Whenever 0 comma 1, at that time the output is going to be 0, it is called as reset state. Reset state implies nothing but irrespective of present state value, the output will be always 0 whenever j is equal to 0 and k is equal to 1. That's what is called a reset state. It doesn't require the present state information. Irrespective of present state information, output will be 0. Next, j is equal to 1, k is equal to 0. Okay, by that time the output will be 1 irrespective of present state. So it is called as set. So it doesn't depend on the present state information, and whenever it is 1 1, j is equal to 1, k is equal to 1, at that time what you will get is nothing but complement of present state. That is nothing but inversion of present state you are going to get as next state. So this is the truth table of JK flip flop. We require this information and we require the information of J1 K1 along with Q1 to know the Q1 plus. To know the next state of Q2 we require J2 K2 and Q2 values. So first of all we have to know J1 K1 J2 K2 values. Later we will assume something as present state, then we will proceed in that manner. Okay, so this is a circuit given, and for this circuit first of all we will write the inputs for this one. For Q1, J1 is going to be input and K1 is going to be input, both are tied together and they are connected from the Q2 bar. So J1 is equal to K1 is equal to Q2 bar, and J2 is going to be Q1 bar and K2 is going to be 1. So these are the values. Okay, now we will go in this way. Let us assume this is the present state information. Okay, and present state information and followed by present inputs, followed by present inputs, followed by next state. Present inputs, present state, next state. Present state implies nothing but it will be Q1 Q2 values. Okay, and present inputs implies nothing but J1 K1, J2 K2, and next state is nothing but Q1 plus Q2 plus. So these are going to be the, this is going to be the table we require. Present state, present inputs, next state, because next state is depends on present state and present inputs. Now let us assume initially both the flip-flops are reset. So 0 0 is going to be the initial state. By that time, from this equations, J1 K1 is nothing but Q2 bar. So this will be 1 1, and J2 is Q1 bar. Q1 is 0, so that it will be 1, and K2 is always 1. So just now we have seen the output of JK flip flop. Whenever J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1, next state is nothing but complement of present state. So this is Q1. Q1 plus is nothing but complement of Q1. Q1 value is 0, so that you will get the output as 1. Next, J2 K2 is going to be 1 1. Okay, 1 1 whenever JK values at that time, next state is complement of present state. Present state of Q2 is nothing but this one, and 0. So 0 bar is nothing but 1. So 0 0 whenever the present state, at that time the next state of this circuit will be 1 1. So 1 1 will be our present state now. For this 1 1 we have to write the J1 K1 values. J1 K1 is nothing but Q2 bar. Q2 is 1, so that you will get it as 0 0. Next, J2 is Q1 bar. Q1 is 1, so that you will get it as 0, and it is 1. J is equal to 0, Q is equal to, K is equal to 0. That is nothing but hold state. Hold state implies nothing but it will maintain the present state as next state. Present state of Q1 is 1, so it maintains the same as 1. Next, 0 1 is nothing but reset state. Irrespective of present state, Q2 next state is going to be 0. Okay, now 1 0 is going to be the next state whenever the present state is 1 1. Now go like this, 1 0 is going to be the next present state. For 1 0 we have to know the present inputs. J1 K1, J1 K1 are going to be Q2 bar. Q2 is 0, so you have to get 1 1. Next, J2, J2 is Q1 bar. Q1 is 1, so that you will get it as 0. K2 is always 1. Next, 1 1 is going to be the input combination for Q1. So whenever it is 1 1, that is complement state. So next state is complement of present state. Present state is 1, so next state is 0, complement of 1. Next, 0 1, 0 1 is nothing but reset state. Irrespective of present state value, the output will be always 0. So is it looks like 0 is nothing but again you are coming back to this state. After this one, you are coming back to initial state. 0 0 state. So the Q1 Q2 are going to be moving in this direction, 0 0 1 1 1 0, and again going back to 0 0 1 1 1 0, and so on, like this. This is a sequence of states it is going with. In the output, what was given is nothing but, since it is cyclic in nature, it was given from this point. So the sequence of states is going to be 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0. You can start with any point, so the output is given from the 1 1 state. So 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0, like this. This is going to be the repeating states. Okay, so the right answer for this one itself is nothing but A. A is the right answer. 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0, like this. Just now we have seen the sequence. So A is the right answer for this question. Thank you.